Oh, Igbiyanju don come again. Why na?
Hello, officer Igbiyanju.
Over.
Ẹ wà ní sport ẹ máa wà yẹn.
Yes.
There is this girl, ọmọ lè pa kan tí máa ń gbé kọjá lára yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ lè pa kan, ó wọ aṣọ blue, ẹ bá mi mú ọmọ yẹn lẹ̀. Yeah, ó mú nǹkan nu fóònù mi bíbá yẹn ni ẹ bá mi mú ọmọ yẹn lẹ̀ sí.
Okay, the girl collect your phone, they run away. Don't worry. I'll catch him.
Èmi náà máa bá yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn sì, mo máa gbé mọ́tò máa bá yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Officer Igbiyanju.
How are you?
Kidan. Gbàwọ̀ kí ló ń ṣe ẹ̀? Ṣé tó pọ̀ gẹ́rù àbí báyìí?
Don't worry. They go your own. That's good. Like say the girl be this. Yes. Hey, come here. Come this place. How are you? Where you are coming from?
I'm coming from my boyfriend's house.
Your boyfriend's house?
Yes.
Wetin happen in your house, your boyfriend?
Nothing.
No be you then say you are wear blue and then you are thief your boyfriend phone.
I'm not.
Hey, Oga, please come and see this guy yo. Na the one person that I say he wear blue. They run away with his boyfriend. Na him be this.
I'm not the one. I'm not the one. Okay, now the girl be this.
Oga, na this girl na this girl they say he wear blue.
I don't dey tell you. Your guy don too much. No dey drink garri. Shey na blue be this.
Yes sir.
Be like say you dey mad. You dey craze. This one no be white. Abeg dey go jare.
Oga, na this girl.
Be like say you dey mad. Your salary don too much abi. No worry, I go reduce am.
Omo, wàhálà ti wà o.